So I'm gonna explain how to use a Hall effect sensor with the IGBT. So right here is your Hall effect sensor. You got a 15K resistor. That's the max that I could get it to where it would work, but yet barely use any power. And then you have a 1K resistor, and then you have a 10K resistor that's going in between the gate of the IGBT and the emitter of the IGBT to bleed the voltage so you can turn it on and off without any issues. And then here's the positive lead going into the motor, the negative lead going into the collector of the IGBT, and then you got the negative going into the negative of the Hall effect, and then the positive going into the positive of the Hall effect. With no resistors, you don't really need it, but you can if you want. You can't put it too high of a resistor value though. And then you just run it from the output to the gate of the IGBT. And here's a printout of the IGBT. This ain't that one that I'm using, but this one's like a 60 amp one, made for higher voltages, I believe, too. And so we have the positive side and the negative side, and we just have a 12 volt battery here. Right there's the voltage. So then my magnets are right here. We have like the north and the south going that way. So I'll plug this into the battery. You'll notice it'll turn on right away. It does that automatically for some reason. If I can plug it in. Come on. Alright, there we go. So now it's off. Here, I'm gonna flip this around. Put the magnet like this instead. So move the motor so you can kind of see that. So the motor's not spinning and it's all powered on right now. And as soon as I bring the pole to it, it turns on. Flip it around, it's off. On, off. So that's when I had it like this. I wanted to show you how you can turn it on real fast and real easy. And that's how you use a Hall effect with an IGBT.